channel again. So today we have this cashier, just like home. So let's see what's inside. So first we have the money, that's important. Next we have, I can't get it out. Let me get the whole stuff out for you. There you go. There you go, the cashier. So we have some food. We have the little register here, and we have the scanning machine. We also have, let me see if I can get this little thing out. We also have the little scanner. And do you hear that? How cute is that? And we also have the little, how do you call that? Recorder? No. Is it pager? Anyways, it's the little machine that the people talk. Hello, I need help. Register 1 or 2. You have that, and the little machine turns on, and you hear the little numbers. There you go. I remember when I was little, I had one of these. I would always collect money and then pretend that I was in a grocery store. Anyway, so this is the little register that you get. Alright, thank you for watching.